Hello, is this your first time to my channel? Welcome, I'm so glad you're here. We are making a move today to Argyle, Texas. We're going out to pack the entire kitchen and their back kitchen and the master closet, and gonna make the first move over to their brand new house. It's in Argyle, Texas. Are you familiar with it? Argyle is filled with the most beautiful horse farms, lots of land and property. It's about 30 miles from Dallas due northwest. So Argyle is our job today. We're going to go be packing, and so stick around so you'll see lots of tips and tricks and how we can pack up your home for you and take you to Dallas or take you to Argyle or wherever you're going. Thank you so much. Click the link below and sign up. Good morning. On my way to a job in Argyle. Beautiful house and great clients. So, see you soon. We're starting a job in Argyle, Texas today. Beautiful entry. They have llamas, chickens, guineas, goats, just beautiful. Looks like a house in Europe. Well, we're putting together boxes and getting ready to pack the kitchen.
Did you want us to go ahead and start?
Hey, Emily. Dory.
Oh, I know.
Cute. Look at our little buddy helping us. Hey. Okay, we're in the kitchen. Packing. That's the client. She just took a seat. She says she feels so guilty. Okay, this is kind of the pantry. Not the food pantry, but just all these items that are back in here, back up. We'll pack all of that. This is a cool wine cellar. Look at these refrigerators. Gorgeous. Okay, we're starting to pack the wine. And how we do it is we use 4 pieces of paper and then we stand them up in the middle of the box and then pack all paper all around it. Now, until I look at you, right? Hi, see everything in here? Clean. Ooh. Look at the chickens. Hey guys. These are the guineas. They're a little bit smaller than the chickens. Hey guys. Hard to see them. So peaceful. Those are llamas. They're moving them tomorrow. So peaceful out here today. Just wonderful. Waiting for the movers to come. They'll be here in a minute.